How do you build the sourcing strategies? What are the tactics? How do you ensure that things are making the impact and actually drives the implications? I'm coming from the marketing background, right? So if I'm looking
Right.
from the marketing lens, my starting point is the goal. What are you trying to achieve, right? Maybe the quality of applications is not very high. We can't convert. The time to hire or time to fill is extremely long. So what it is that we're trying to solve. And then
Yeah.
the next part, obviously, is that kind of distribution. So you have the job boards, you have programmatic, you have obviously the social media, business social media, the normal social media. A few years ago, we started to build kind of that sourcing strategies to support the business. What was missing 3 years ago, what was missing was data. We could not see what's really happening. So now we can see end to end the full funnel from where it's coming down to that placement. And
Right.
now you can have these conversations.